Hey guys, so this is Lucky Sony here and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So as part of this video, I'm going to really share my learnings from the Impact Theory videos. Okay, as part of Impact Theory videos, we really got a huge amount of learning. So I'm going to share that learning along with you. So today I'm going to talk about the David Goggins. Okay, the person who have got training as part of the US Arms, as part of SEAL. Okay, and he really worked a lot. He got the Guinness World Record to do the 4,030 push-ups, pull-ups in 24 hours. Okay, and he ran near to the 230 miles within 39 hours. Okay, so the person, he is amazing, great personality, and as part of his interview, he let us know how exactly our brain works, what are the hacks we can apply with our brain, and how exactly he was able to achieve such kind of huge success as part of his life, because he's not a normal person. He also worked like a bodyguard for the Iraq Prime Minister. Okay, so let's get started about the David Goggins, what exactly he would like to teach us from his video from Impact Theory. So David Goggins is telling to us like whatever we do, we always using the 40% of our brain capacity. Suppose I would like to do some workout, I would like to do some push-ups, okay, or pull-ups. So what is happening? Suppose I have set a target of 200 push-ups or pull-ups, and I have completed near to 50 plus only. Okay, and my body start getting pain. So what is happening? My brain is designed in a such a way, he always try to look. He's always looking for the comfort zone. It's always looking for the relax kind of stuff. He don't wanna feel the pain, and he having such kind of strategy. How exactly he can keep you away from such kind of pains, and how exactly he can control you. So your brain is trying to control you whenever you are doing some push-up and pull-ups. So you need to understand it's a 40% of your capacity. So you can push your capacity. Don't allow your brain to control you. You need to push yourself, and you need to try to learn the things how you can control your brain. You need to always remember you are only did 40% of your capacity, you can do more. Okay, so this is the one of the best thing which I liked about his video, like you need to push yourself because you have usually 40% of your capacity. Another thing is this, how exactly you can identify कि you are doing your best and you would like to change as part of your life. So first of all, you need to accept your failures, whatever you are. Okay, suppose you need to find out ki what kind of learnings you would like to get as part of your life, where exactly you are failing. You need to be truth, you need to be very raw. Okay, and you need to be very honest with yourself. Okay, so you should accept whatever flaws you having, whatever the weaknesses you having, you have to work on that. You have to accept it, you should not degrade on it. Okay, so one of the best technique, you go in front of the mirror. Okay, just try to look at yourself. Suppose I am the person who would like to lose his fat. Okay, so how exactly you can accept you are the person who having the fat. Okay, the another thing is this, you need to find out how exactly you can work on it. You need to find out the plans, strategy, how exactly you can try to achieve your goal. Okay, and you need to work on it. Suppose you are not able to get success, then you need to find out the other alternative way to work on it. You should not change your goal. This is the one of the most important thing, like you need to be very honest with yourself. You need to be raw, you need to be rough and tough with yourself, then only you can do something as part of your life. You need to find out your true potential of your life. You need to accept what the reality. Okay, and one of the best thing is like you should not become the mediocrity. Okay, what is the mediocrity? You are the person who is along with the people who are equivalent to you, maybe the below than you, in the terms of the learning, in terms of the capacities. Okay, and you are feeling happy because they are not above equivalent to you, even they are below than you, and definitely you are feeling very good feeling, you are getting very good great feeling, and on top of that you don't want to learn anything. Okay, so first of all, you need to understand how exactly you need to improve yourself. You need to find such kind of environment, such kind of circle where you can identify, okay, this person is far better than me, this person can such kind of person environment I should be. You should find out yourself challenging. You should push yourself, because the people who are really expert enough, you would like to become like them. Okay, so in this way you can leave the mediocrity. You can try to learn the best things from them. You need to push yourself. Okay, so this is the best thing I liked about David Goggins. He's not a simple person who simply given up. Okay, you should not given up. Okay, you should go to the dark room. You should understand yourself. You need to find out your goals. You need to find out your weaknesses. You need to work on them. Okay, so suppose you are in your dark room and you just try to talk to yourself. Okay, if you can talk to yourself, you will identify how literally things you need to improve as part of your life. Okay, what kind of skill you need to adopt, what you would like to become, how is it you can set your goals. Okay, so you can take a pen and paper, you can write down there, okay, this is my weaknesses and how actually I can overcome with those weaknesses. So guys, this is my true learning from David Goggins, and I hope you will love this video. And each and every time I will try to share my learning from such kind of impactful videos where I can share my experience. I will let you know what kind of advantage you can get from such kind of video, and I hope you will enjoy it. Yeah, so just tune up with me, and please like and subscribe my video if you really would like to learn. Thanks a lot.